Smoking and society essay in English. Generally, smoking means to smoke cigarette, though other forms of smoking, tobacco, are also included in it. Smoking is the widest separate habit in our country. It is mostly among men, but women also smoke hubble bubble and a few enjoy the puffs of cigarette. The young boys, especially the students, are a great victim of it. There is no doubt for the time being smoking refreshes the smokers, but cigarettes have a harmful element called nicotine, which is a deadly poison. The doctors warn that smoking is injurious to health. Smoking breeds throat diseases and tuberculosis. It is the basic cause of lung cancer. Smokers commonly suffer from cold, cough, and influenza. They also suffer from bad breath. Smoking is also harmful for eyesight and digestive system. Smokers also suffer from loss of memory, and dead smokers suffer from heart attack. The clouds of smoke raised by one smoker make the other feel giddy. Smoking is also a cause of suffocation and pollution in the society. It is also evident that new generation is less addicted to it than the previous one. Medical research shows that smoking is one of the main causes of low life expectancy. International community has rejected it altogether. They have banned it at all public places. They have reduced it considerably with an effective campaign through media. It is considered a bad habit and a great evil against society. In advanced countries, smoking is prohibited in the presence of children. The following measures may help controlling this menace. The treatment and advice for the smokers must readily be available at short distance. Media must play its role to motivate the public against it. The harms of smoking must be highlighted in the textbooks at all levels. The students must be monitored in this connection by the institutions. All the public places must be declared smoking free. Smoking should be banned in all the government offices. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.